Hi there, my name's Dave Johnson and I'm super excited today because I want to share something with you. Okay, it's a free traffic method. It won't cost you a penny. You won't be asked for any credit card details or PayPal details or anything like that. I'll stand corrected, you will be when they come to pay you. Okay, so you have to have a bank detail to get paid. But guys, nobody else is doing this. It's unique. It's never been seen before. It's a free traffic source. All right. Once it's set up, it works 100%. But if you follow the steps, you've got to be prepared to put the work in. But no one else is doing this. And like I say, it's 100% unique and it's very rewarding. Trust me, I'm doing this. All right. It's super easy for newbies and it works even if you're already making money online. All right, it's absolutely fantastic. I call it the Mega Link. Okay, and you'll see why soon if you can spare a few minutes. If you sign up on this page, okay, and look out for the email that you'll get. Okay, I'll send you some emails. So make sure you check your spam folder and I'll show you all about this system that I've got working for me and many others now at the moment. Okay, this only started this year. All right, so there's you won't have to sell. Okay, so next year you'll be able to get up and play with Santa Claus. All right, so get super handsomely rewarded with this, guys. Trust me on this. So just sign up and look out for those emails. Whitelist my email if you know how to do that. Okay, so you'll receive all the notifications I'm going to send to you in the future. All right, like I said, it's not going to cost you a penny. It's super free. It's video tutorials. You will have to put in some work, but there's no shiny buttons out there, folks. If you think there is, there isn't. Okay, so sign up onto this now. Take action now. Stop procrastinating because you won't get anywhere. All right, you need to take action now. So sign up to this page and look out for the emails and I'll send you to this page where I'm going to send you to. It's on Facebook, but there's no promoting on there. It's like a platform with all the lessons inside this. It's a private group and I'm giving you an extra special VIP welcome on this. All right, so take action, guys, and I'll see you all soon on the other side. Okay, good luck with it and please take me up on this. Okay, for now, stay safe and have a great day.